guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Judy and I'm bringing to you another video. Okay, if it's your first time stopping by, welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if it's your first time. Also like this video, watch my other videos. You know we keep it real on this channel. So today I'm going to be doing my life update, where I have been and everything. However, I have a home service. I'm actually, if you guys don't know, I'm actually a professional makeup artist here in the Gambia, well, everywhere. And I have a client. So I was thinking, why don't I just make this like a fun video? Like I can just sit down here telling you guys what I've been doing all my life, or I could just carry you guys along to my appointment with my clients and then like talk about what I've been doing for the past 1 year plus. I actually thought it was 2 years, but I checked and it's not even been up to 2 years I've been off YouTube, so you guys should cut me some slack, okay? Basically, I'm going to be showing you guys how I pack my stuff, what I pack when I go for appointments, how I usually do everything. So yeah, if you're a makeup artist, then you should be down for this tea. If you're not, you should still be down for this tea because you might learn some things. You never know. So yeah, I'm going to pack everything in this makeup bag. It's like, it's really big. So I think everything I need will fit in this bag. I have my brushes outside because you know this whole corona. Yeah, I forgot to mention, if you guys are being affected by the coronavirus, I am being affected a little bit. Like in Gambia, it's just one recorded case, but still we're on 21 days isolation, social distancing stuff, but I'm still going out, so I'm risking my life. But I'm actually trying to be safe while making some coin. I know health before wealth, yes, but I already had this booking made before this whole thing, and it's probably going to be my last day of work. You never know, so I just want to take you guys along with me. And if you're affected, my heart goes out to you. It's not yet that bad in Gambia, and I don't want it to get that bad in Gambia, but I think one of you guys in like the countries that are really like high risk, and heart goes out to you. We're praying for you. Can't say I relate completely, but I have an idea of how it feels to be locked up in your house, not being able to go out. And just know that this too shall pass. You'll be fine. In a couple of weeks we'll all be partying, we'll all be outside having fun. So yeah, just stay safe, guys. Take your vitamins, wash your hands, sanitize your environment. Try to not touch too much people. Shit's getting real. Shit is real. Coronavirus. Okay, it's not a funny thing, but literally, I just want you guys to stay safe. And yeah, so let's get to packing my bag. This is the bag. I have compartments. It's kind of dirty, but it works. And yeah, so I'm just sanitizer, and I'm just gonna put this here. So I like to pack foundations that are not that heavy. Probably the ones in plastic containers, or in a tube like this. Plastic containers or a tube like this. Finished packing up my bag, and I was like ready to go, like let the door onto my client, and she called me last minute to cancel. Yes, unfortunately these things happen. Plans don't fall through on my side, and sometimes my client's side. You never know. But yeah, so I'm just gonna stay home and give you guys the tea you've been looking for. So yeah, life update. Video before I went MIA on you guys on YouTube was, I just want to check, I'm giving you guys all the facts, was published on December 17th, 2018. So yeah, and that year was good and bad. A lot of things happened in my life, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna break this down to personal life, school, and social media, because social media is also part of my life. So guys don't know, I'm still in university, I'm still in school. So I'm studying medicine, and 2018 was a very, very, very tricky year. A lot of things was happening around me. I was depressed. I don't like to use the word depressed, but that's literally how I was. I wasn't feeling myself. I wasn't feeling okay. And if you're a real one, you will notice that I really was just posting, and my life was just upside down. My friends noticed, my family noticed, my mom, she's like everything. So I spoke to her, I called her up that day. I remember vividly that day because I was like, I'm done. Like, I just feel so tired with life and everything. Like, school wasn't going so great. A lot of stuff was going on in my school that I don't really want to get to yet, but a lot of stuff was going on in my school. I just called my mom up that day and I was like, you know what, I want to come home. I'm living in Gambia for my family in Nigeria. So I called my mom, I was like, I want to go home. I'm not feeling myself. I feel very down. I'm having these dark thoughts, yeah, and I don't like the way, I'm a very, very bubbly person. I'm very lively. I'm very social. So like I was really down. So I called her and I was like, this was in November. I think it was in November. Was it November? No, it wasn't November, sorry. It was in October, sorry. It was in October. I went home in October and I went home in December again. So I went home in October. I think I got better when I went home because I was around people that loved me, people that cared about me, and I just started coming out of that dark place. And yeah, I was dealing with a lot of shit, to be very honest. People close to me died, and it affected me. And I always felt like I'm the kind of person that doesn't like I always deal with everything. Like, I don't like to be so moody. I don't like to show emotions so much, like when it comes to my personal life. But I was really, really down that period. Before all this whole thing started going down, first off, my school was going through a lot of shit. Like, we were not going to school because we had issues. The administration was having issues, so like the school was closed for a while. And you know, when you don't have anything doing, the devil. I was just home every day, morning to night. Like, I literally could have used my whole of 2019 to be filming. I could have done that because I was just home, not doing nothing. I feel like when you're in a dark place, being around people that truly, genuinely have your best interest at heart, people that you really know they love you. Like, you're not just saying, I love you. You know, you can feel it that they love you. Helps in a way. Like, I still was having like some down days, but like it was so much better and so much easier for me. That was it. So after I came out of that phase, obviously when you're depressed, everything just goes. Well, that was how it was for me. So like I wasn't doing so great in school. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't doing good in school. So I failed my exam. So that got my dad pissed. Like, he felt like, oh, I was focusing too much on social media. You know how, I would say it's an African thing. Parents just always think that when you don't do well in school, it's all about social media. February, school resumes, obviously I have to come back. So at the airport, I carried everything, my ring lights, my camera, and then my dad was like, leave everything in the car and go. Mind you, this is actually very funny because I didn't go to the airport with my dad. I went to the airport with my brother and my mom. Okay, so he called my mom and was like, make sure she drops her ring light and her camera. And I'm like legit scared. Like, what? Like, I'm at the airport already. What do you mean? Like, okay, first off, yeah, not to seem ungrateful. I love everything my parents have done for me. They've been everything for me. Like, they pay my bills. Like, I'm nothing without them. But like, my camera, my ring light, that was legit my sweat. Like, I actually saved up for a long ass time to be able to get my setup as it is right now. I spent money. I saved up. They didn't give me money. I had to find it and make it work, and I did. So I was like, what? And then he goes like, you have to drop it or you're not getting on that flight, blah blah blah. You're going back to school with the stuffs. The drama began. So my brother was there. He's like, just drop the stuffs. Don't worry, we're trying to make something for you anytime. Like, look, my brother's in the G. But like, I knew that it's not gonna work out. So I was just helping. Like, I'm going with my stuff. I can't leave my stuff. I'm sorry. I was so stubborn. I'm so stubborn. I'm the first one. I know they always say first one's always so stubborn. But like that day, I was like, I'm the kind of person that would be like, oh, let's maintain the peace. Let's leave things. Like, but I was like, no. That day, I couldn't. Like, I'm like, no, I'm not dropping this shit. I called my friend Oinda, planned everything. She spoke to my dad, and then spoke to my mom. I don't even know how the thing went because I was just crying. To be honest, I was just crying up and down. But like, after much stress, I got on the flight with my stuff. I came back, and I mean, I was with everything. I could start filming, but I couldn't. Like, I still had that fear, like, oh, I'm disappointing my parents, I'm making them unhappy. And then, like I told you guys, I'm studying medicine. So then I started my rotation. And if you don't know, rotation is when we actually stop going to school now. We stop going to the hospitals. So it started. And I thought I could juggle both of them, but I could not. So I started with gynecology, and that's like a really, really hard rotation to start with. I started with that. And mind you, I had little to no clinical skills. So this was my first ever rotation. I had done pre-clinicals, but like it's not the same as this one. So I could not. I went bald. Like literally, I woke up one day. I'll see if I can get a picture, and I set it, and like the hair in the middle part of my head fell off because of how stressful it was. Like, I was in the hospital from like 7 a.m. some days to like 12, 1. Like, I'm not joking. Like, I was literally, it was real. Like, that life just started like getting very complicated, and I couldn't do YouTube. I couldn't do nothing. I just thought, you know what? I'm not gonna stop cold turkey. Like, that's not me. I like makeup. Like, makeup is a part of me right now. So I was doing like little Insta tutorials, and I just stuck with that and left YouTube. Yeah, I did. I left YouTube, and my Instagram grew. I was at 1,000 something, and then now my Instagram is about 5,000 something. So it literally helped me, and I was like, you know what, my YouTube isn't even growing. Like, at that point I had like 200 subscribers, and I'm like, people are not even watching my videos. Like, the one I posted had like 100 views for like almost a year. So I was like, no point, let me just leave my life and leave this whole thing. So I did not. I didn't go back to YouTube, and I think my parents were happy because nobody was stressing me anymore. My grades started coming up plus, so I kept having back-to-back rotations like that, so there was no time basically. Then I lost 2 of my family members again when I was about to like, okay, let me just start. Put me in a mood. And it was sad, but I'm over it now. I know that anybody has gone through loss in their lifetime, and it's not something that we like to talk about, but every single person you've lost is in a better place. I just hope and pray that we get to meet them when we go to heaven, and we will be happy at the end. That's how I look at life. Like, we're just walking through this life, and at the end of the day, we're all in heaven, we're all gonna be fine. It's gonna be alright, last, okay? No stress. That was why I was off YouTube for that long. School got serious, okay? It got serious, and life got hard. I won't say hard. It got complicated, and I wasn't prepared for everything that was happening around me. So it just hit me like poof, and I was just like, I didn't know what to do. But like now, I feel like I have control of what's happening in my environment, or what's happening around me. So I feel like I'm in a better place I remember waking up one day and my girl Ore was my classmate in my first year. We're not that close anymore. But she messaged me one time, I think it was sometime last year, and her message to me, I think I kept the message, let me check. Like coming from her, even though we're not that close anymore, she still, you know, I really felt it. I don't know, I can't find that message, but basically, alright, that message was everything. Thank you. And every other person, my cousins, thank you for asking and wondering why I'm not on YouTube anymore. Yeah. But right now, I am trying to come back slowly. I'm not gonna come and lie or come and say in camera I'll be posting every week, because to be honest, school is still stressful. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm in my final years, so yeah. But I'm gonna be trying to post more frequently, even if it's not makeup related, even if it's just this kind of videos. If you like this kind of videos, comment down below. Let me know that we're in the same thing together, okay? Yeah, so yeah. I'm just gonna do me, like this year, just do me. Like whatever I wanna do, I'm gonna do my channel. If that's not what you're here for, I don't want you to go, but you might as well leave if you're not interested in all of that. So I'm gonna start getting very real with you guys here on this platform. I hope this is enough explanation of where I have been. I know there are a lot of stuff I jumped through, but this is what I'm comfortable saying for now. This is all new to me. I'm not someone who likes to come and talk about her personal life on social media. Yeah. But I thought it would be nice to share a piece of my life with you guys. I feel like you deserve it at this point, like a tiny piece of my life. And we'll see if you guys like such kinds of videos. I will do more. So thank you for watching this video. If you watched up to this point, I didn't think this video would be this long, to be very honest. I thought I would just be here for like 5 minutes tops, but like it might be longer than 5 minutes. See you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Subscribe, like. You guys please like the video, I'm begging, please. Share, send it to your friends, send it to your enemies, send it to even, I don't know, send it to everybody. Your mom, your dad, your grandpa, I don't care. Send it to everybody. Please help me. Till next time, guys.